on the street.
In this
And
neighborhood.
it's a tennis court like down here.
Oh, tennis court too?
Yeah.
Có tennis luôn.
Mà sân tennis đó là nó mở cho ai muốn vào thì vào, hay có cần chìa khóa không?
Dạ không, cần phải đăng ký thôi hả?
Phải đăng ký
để mà đứng chung người ta thôi.
I hear it as a little tourist place.
Oh, there's just like a little place in the U.S. Oh, they have a little soccer and tennis courts. Whoa, speed bumps.
It's a resident area.
Yeah, they have a tennis court. You can play
There are tennis courts here.
Anyone can use it.
But it's
You
wet,
gotta
so
sign
you
up
can't
to
play.
like, you don't occupy other people.
Yeah, you can play pickleball right
Hmm.
And jogging.
Đèo trái đi cho.
My cousin used to take care of my grandparents and they live up there. But now they moved in.
Okay, we're here at the marble farm, I guess. Kind of marble factory where they make all these shapes. Let's go to the front. You can see there's the entrance sign there. Look at that. Look how many of these things they got. It's crazy. You got those pillars back there too. Got those like soldiers kind of thing. So many. Look at that. It's crazy. Try one here. They got the Ho Chi Minh guy. More of those Buddhist things. These ones. There's too many here. So many. Look at that. We got the giant dragon ones. Even got some like Native American looking or something. I don't know what that is. So many. Some lions over there. Some like little lanterns. Got some naked ladies over there. So many. Look at that. Gotta go back to the building. So many. You can hear them like carving out some new ones over there. Big marbles. Oh man. Look at these. Like faces in the mountain, kind of. Look at all that. Look at this. Whoa. And look, those ones just spin around like that. Nope.
No?
Nope. Look at that. Whoa. So much teeth. All these like big marble. They have like all these. Whoa. Okay, they're telling me not to record inside. I don't know why, but look. Look at all these.
If I
Look
go
at
down,
this. If I go down, I want one like that. Carve one. Look at all this. Got these lions here. Some crazy stuff. Look at this guy. Look at that one.
oh my god.
Look, there's a bear here. Rooster. One in the background. Got lots of naked women here. Horses. Oh, they got a naked guy too, but they covered his. This is crazy. Oh, they got somewhere they didn't cover them up. Look at this. Dang, that's crazy. Look, they got some dolphin ones here too. Some fish. Oh man, it's crazy. Look at these Buddhas. Some pots. Then we got, is that Albert Einstein? Or, if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. Oh, George Washington. Oh wait, that's the one. Wait, am I mixing up? I'm confused. I don't remember. Or are they the same person? Anyways. Got a bunch more over here. Man, so many. Got a giant eagle here. This. Look at this, like a little peach tree. There's some like turtles in here. I don't know if they caught them and put them there. You can actually see it's breathing.
Someone probably placed them here. Like, we're being
And there's one right there.
Someone built a shelter for us. We're just gonna stay here.
They're all in this fountain here.
Oh my god.